supposed to drink it, not wear it. Hello everyone, Adrienne here. So today I'm going to be doing a review of not necessarily absinthe, but definitely an absinthe-related product. So within the last couple of months I have received, I guess, free bottles of absinthe from absinthe brand owners, which I am eternally grateful for, because, oh my god, first of all, I couldn't have done it without you guys. I just want to get that out of the way. And second of all, I'm really glad that my videos on absinthe are having a positive impact on the perspective on absinthe, as well as kind of lessening the stigma, just a little bit even. It helps, really does. So as a result of my absinthe reviews and my absinthe videos and my videos on absinthe education, I was contacted by the owner of this company called Slipstream Absinthe, and they specialize in absinthe pipes. So I know this is pretty nifty looking, and it kind of sort of little bit looks like a bong, I'm not gonna lie. But when I saw videos of the absinthe ritual being done with these in lieu of a traditional absinthe glass, I thought it was pretty cool. It's definitely a really interesting and convenient way to serve absinthe, and that's kind of how they wanted to design these. In fact, the owner was kind enough to send me not one, but two. So I'm very happy about that, and that is going to be very useful for the purpose which I am going to be showing you guys today. So you know how in my absinthe reviews I will show you the louche up close. So to demonstrate the preparation ritual with these new Slipstream absinthe glasses or absinthe pipes, I am going to be using both a white and a green absinthe. For my white, I'm going to be using Fleur Bleue, which is one of my favorite whites. It's wonderful and sour and just lovely and fresh. It's just great. And for my green or vert absinthe, I will be using Joual Vert. They are made by the same distillery, and I just needed something with a similar formula and everything to kind of compare how the white looks and how the green looks together when doing the preparation ritual with these wonderful pipes. And I did want to let you guys know, for the sake of transparency, I have not been paid for this review at all. All I did was receive some free product. I have not been paid for this review. So the owner actually was kind enough to write me a letter, and that was very, very, very sweet of him. Alright, so I want to show you a couple of features of this glass before we proceed with the louche. It's gonna be fun. So as you can see, it has a really interesting kind of bubble shape, and the top of the glass is kind of like vaguely reminiscent of the bubble like reservoir absinthe glasses that you often see. It's definitely not traditional by any means, but actually one of my Twitter followers did tell me that there was a similar version of this glass that was available in the 19th century. Obviously not in this exact design, but I still think it's really cool. And the way that it's designed is that the sugar cube can rest right here in this little spot as an apparatus, so that you don't necessarily need to use an absinthe spoon with this. So that's pretty cool. So along with both of these pipes, the owner was also kind enough to send me different colored glass straws that can be attached to the pipes, which is pretty cool. You can kind of customize your own absinthe experience. And for the purpose of this review, I'll be using the green one for the vert absinthe, and I'll be using this clear one for the white, just because it seems fun to color coordinate. And the owner was also kind enough to send me this absinthe spoon, and it's pretty unique, I will say. Don't have anything else like this in my collection. This is obviously more gold or brass or something. I think he told me it was gold. I'm not sure. But this is actually a pre-band design. It was a Belle Époque style absinthe spoon, so pretty cool. Right, so let's go ahead and reposition the camera so you guys can see the louche for these Slipstream Absinthe glasses. So excited. So what's nice is that it seems that the logo for Slipstream Absinthe is right here on the glass to proportion how much absinthe to pour in. At least that seems to be the case. Oh god, that La Fleur Bleue smells so good. Oh. Oh, Joel smells better though, I'm sorry. Okay, both went a little over the line, but oh well. It's not like I'm going anywhere today. Wow, you can really see the blue color emphasized in La Fleur Bleue here. That's really cool. And yes, I opted to not use sugar here because personally I prefer these without sugar. That's just me though. Whew, there's a lot of absinthe in the air. Not that I'm complaining, of course. I really like that the pipe containing La Fleur Bleue really emphasizes the blue undertones in the absinthe for La Fleur Bleue. It's really, really cool. Okay, I'll say La Fleur Bleue is good. And I'll just let Jules Vert carry on and catch up a little bit. And see, now that I'm looking at it with the absinthe actually filling the glasses, they look a little bit bigger in person than they did originally in the package when I first got them. So, pretty decent size. Alright, so it did provide a really interesting experience for the louche, and you kind of saw the essential oils and the pure absinthe and the unlooshed absinthe kind of settling toward the bottom while the mist and the cloudiness kind of rose. That was cool. That was really, really interesting. And like the owner said, I can definitely see this being convenient and easy serving in a bar situation. Or if I happen to run out of absinthe glasses for entertaining guests one night, I can definitely see myself using these as a way to kind of, making sure everyone gets some. So, overall, I'm pretty happy with these. These are cool. And they're also nice and sturdy. They have a relatively thick glass here, so I'm pretty happy about that. So, I really like these. I definitely do. Alright, so I have repositioned the camera back toward me, obviously, and just gonna give my final thoughts on these absinthe pipes. I think they're really cool. They kind of, not gonna lie, they kind of look like a combination of a bong and a sippy cup. Totally not gonna lie about that. But I like the concept. I really like the design. It's very sleek and elegant and kind of vaguely reminiscent of a hookah pipe, slightly. But let's check this out. See how evenly the flavor's distributed. I think I may have poured a little bit too much absinthe in there before going through the process of the louche, but yeah, I would definitely recommend slowly sipping with these. I mean, you should be slowly sipping absinthe anyway. Just saying. Yeah, it's pretty convenient. I wish these straws were just a little bit, thinner, personally, but I do like the design. So I would definitely give these a 4 out of 5 stars. And yeah, here is Fleur Bleue with the absinthe pipe. Oh, it's so nice and sour and tart. It's so good. But yeah, definitely cool. I might show this to Kenny one night. See what he thinks. Alright, so that was my review of Slipstream Absinthe glasses. I really like them. I think they're cute. I think they're convenient. And I dare say it's even a good investment if you don't want to invest in the full accoutrement of, you know, the absinthe glasses, the fountain, the spoons, and everything like that. This is basically an all-in-one glass. So if you're not ready to invest in an absinthe fountain or glasses or spoons or anything like that yet, and you still want to try it, you can give it a try in this way. It's quick, it's easy. I would definitely say it's convenient. And like I said, I could see this being convenient in a bar setting, and I can definitely see where the owner was coming from in designing these so that they're easy for serving in a bar. Because I imagine not very many bars nowadays necessarily have all of the equipment to make absinthe, or rather to prepare absinthe. That bar in Las Vegas, though, that I went to with Kenny last year, they did it right. Except for the sugar cube. That's the only thing they got wrong. But anyway, I've carried on long enough. I like these. If you're interested in getting these and you're not quite ready to invest in the full accoutrement of absinthe yet, definitely go for these. Definitely recommend it. I will have a link for these in the description below so you guys can check it out for yourselves. And if you have these, tell me what you think. I would be interested to know your thoughts. So, as always, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit the bell for notifications because YouTube is acting screwier than usual. And I'm not down for it. And thank you so much to all of my patrons, and to everyone, I love you, you're amazing, and I'll see you guys later.